Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Weston back again with another episode of
What's in the box? Who's in the box? What's in the box?
The truth, they just can't handle it. They say he just too scandalous. I got my sevens on, man. I feel I had the pimp. Demonstrating aqua 8s, feeling fine in my white nines. Jordan back in 91. Yeah, fool, it's my time. I'm shining now. The ism flying. I am the shy. 999. I'm fly like Zeus, my bitch divine. She say she chose a G, cause my grade 5's in the shy. Man, we stood in line for 'em. Gangsters did time, did crimes just to shine from 'em. In the hoes, love the vibe of 'em. First sign of an addict is denial, but I love 'em. Something about these black threes that make these girls attack me. It's something about these black threes that make these girls attack me. Something about these black threes that make these girls attack me. It's something about these black threes that make these girls attack me.
Here I have one of the best sneakers ever created. Originally released in 1988, the Jordan 3 Black Cement changed the way that we look at basketball shoes and sneakers in general. Tinker Hatfield's design has received a lot of praise and been the topic of a lot of hot debates over the years. And now, 30 years and several retros later, the Jordan 3 returns in its truest form. Featuring original Nike branding on the heel and the outsole, I wouldn't be surprised if this shoe flies off shelves. Slated to release February 17th, it will retail for $200. How'd I get my pair, you ask? So the Nike Sneakers app had a special surprise release of the Black Cement 3 a few weeks ago. And I don't know how or why. I was apparently in the right place at the right time. I got the notification, opened up my phone, and boom, I was able to secure one of the most coveted pairs of shoes in sneaker history. I'm very glad that I got these because these are on my wish list ever since I heard that they were coming out. Now I have the 2011 pair and I wear mine faithfully and they've never let me down. But it's always good to have a little depth in the bench. Speaking of the 2011 pair, there are a few differences outside of the Nike branding on the 2018 pair. At first glance, everything seems normal. However, the perforation on the gray sections is smaller on the 2011 pair than is featured on the 2018 pair. Also, the red on the 2018 pair is a slightly brighter hue than the one on the 2011 pair. Lastly, I noticed on the 2011 pair, the detailing of the elephant print is slightly darker than the lighter gray on the 2018 pair. Other than that, they're pretty much the same shoe. So if your question is whether to get them or whether to not get them, then I personally would say get them. Just because you can't go wrong with having another pair of Black Cement 3s. And if it's your first pair, then this is a great pair to get. And this year's pair is even more special because it's the 30th anniversary of the initial release. So if you ask me, I highly recommend getting this pair. And for those wondering why I didn't do an on foot for these shoes, well, quite frankly, it's because I intend to put them on ice for a long time. At least long enough for me to get the full wear out of my 2011 pair. There's just some shoes that you just always want to have. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe. And stay tuned because I got new videos coming soon. Until next time, peace.